Hi guys. This is my learning outcome um two for this topic and today we'll be discussing the factors that affect microbial growth. Um, Microorganisms are living. The environmental matrix key factors influence the growth and reproduction of microscopic organisms. So microorganisms are tiny living organisms that include bacteria, fungi. 1 second, please. Um, like all living things, sorry about that. Like all living things, they need the right environmental conditions to survive, growth, and reproduce. So, the five primarily pillars are temperature, uh, government enzymes and kinetic metabolic rates, pH levels, acid-base balance effects, oxygen, nutrients, availability of carbon, nitrogen, and trace elements, protein structure, salinity, which is influence water movement via osmosis and maintains cellular hydration. Then we have the thermal influence, which is metabolic sensitivity. Temperature affects enzymes activity. Low temperatures um, make them take a step back, while high temperatures then denature proteins and damage membranes. And then here are the some examples of that. Okay, human pathogens are typically mesophile optimized growth at 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then the pH levels. Microorganisms require a specific pH range, and we have a little picture over here to show you. Okay, and then oxygen availability, aerobic life, essential to requirements, low level to require, and anaerobic life, O2 lethal, toxic, can adapt with or without O2, inert O2 present. And then we had the nutritional foundation, carbon and nitrogen, carbon builds structure, nitrogen synthesizes DNA and proteins. And then we have phosphorus, sulfur, trace element. This is and then lastly, salinity and osmosis. Just optimal salinity with 0.9% for non-halophiles. And then have a picture of osmotic challenge. High level salt draw water out of cells, causing dehydration, plasmolysis. Principle is vital in food preservation. So this is an example of plasmolysis. And then we had growth factors, like we already talked, temperature, pH, atmosphere is a growth factor for how they grow. And there's some strategic importance, like understanding this environment's trigger is fundamental. Healthcare, it helps us in the healthcare industry, helps us control pathogens, drones, and sterilization. In other industries, it optimizes fermentation and pharmaceutical production. Food safety, developing preservation techniques using temperature and salt. So these are strategies that we can improve or be aware in our therapy also work, especially in the healthcare department. And then these are the sources where I got the pictures and some of the information. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.